Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School mentaka kinti kalayo banbat hat-trick hakabiya day bat kijung yo bat ekikadan meningkong hak examine Hsslc hakabiya day baka subject science berpelat deke embos mentaka sengi. Halo ke subject science belayo banbat ekikadan meningkong udah usuhan bata charge udah na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School bat buan baar udah usamla Gordon Kupar Nombri St Edmunds Higher Secondary School. Laban Bengalee kelabat ekikadan meningkong nadu usnam arajar puar arajar pulai bat mentau usnam arajar pusau. Kat bahak kaliang juga commerce layak banbat hakadan meningkong daga St Mary's Higher Secondary School ya kabalayo daga samla ferry Filarisha 1 bat hakadan baar layak bat duraj Paul St Anthony's Higher Secondary School.
It's a mixed emotion. Right now, I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now. It goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock, I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, Miss, for helping me. Not only in physics and all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here. Mainly, it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. My plan is to go for BSc Physics, taking major in it. So, hoping for better colleges, and let's see.
Feeling extremely happy. Very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Absolutely delighted. Absolutely delighted by the results. I genuinely never expected this actually, but still it hopefully happened in my way.
I feel really happy, really grateful. So at first, makam expect na banyak aku kami marks. But then it's all because of my teachers, my friends, my family supporting me mentally, physically, emotionally. So it's all because of them and my hard work. I prepare na school, but online. Question paper, masuk question paper. Kita use NCE activate kalau buat balap prescribe, and then masuk solve question paper, and then you should know the pattern that lagi prepare the question, the pattern. And then for example, your mental state is really important because if you're nervous and then you're writing your exam, you'll forget everything. So you have to be mentally stable while writing the exam. For exam, I boleh kuntuhi baru sini for exam, but then kita berdam exam lah Dr. Tanda. I'll go BCom and then side by side I'll do comparative exam. I'm currently either St. Anne or Hsslc College.
Why Hsslc College?
Why Hsslc College? I heard the teachers there in commerce are good. I heard. Prepare it online. Kita nak the teachers on YouTube but prepare free lecture facility the object for the people who are preparing. I used to like dancing, but I'm shocked with that. They're like distraction. They're like the biggest enemy for students right now, including me. I'm really distracted, Shisha. But you have to remember, you have to put studies first and then distraction. Work hard. You can do it. You can do this. It's fine. You'll face difficulties. It's part of life. But you can do it. You can do it.
Tak ada jenis buat kerang lalu kakak. Then kau mai ai ngu beli terakhir drive lo, lembang kerja beli letih kerja. Yang apa kerja ini saya pun akan dikantor ke hilang bang. Ke kebaar kayak cik ini mau berinterest tom sisa. te ikrek kat itu ikat kontris tom jong I bangga ka ya chaka school bangga ka chimiarap kino hika judan kino hika ka ai chimot jong kino hika no bi borobor ki sai pensulur be iten adu bi yo top metrik adu abi pensulur be ma bi invan be chakman te kata ni ada apa bi krek kat kumtai isai dong mo me wat expect yang apa kan yo top mana mar ba ila wan top pon Tuan em ya kata ngimla men expect deh kata makan nang piu kan has kala nang cucu mah de kata kat bafina tang bapi bila minot te pimpol be sak thong ka bapi krang mah tai.
I'm thrilled to extend my heartfelt congratulations to our exceptional students who have achieved the remarkable feat of securing top positions in the commerce stream examinations. I'm immensely proud of each one of them. Their achievements bring great honor to our institution and serve as a shining example of the high standards of excellence that we strive to uphold. Congratulations to the parents and guardians of these achieving students. I extend my deepest gratitude for their unwavering support and encouragement to the students again who have not only made us proud but also inspired their peers and future generations of students. The message I have for them is, as you enter the next chapter of their academic journey, remember that this is just the beginning of a bright and promising future. Stay focused, continue to pursue your passions with the diligence and let your dreams soar high. Once again, congratulations on your well-deserved success. May you continue to shine brightly and make a positive impact on the world around. Science, we have a 97.3% and the commerce we have 100%. Commerce we have first position and 9th position. Total number of students appeared is 50. Science, total number of students appeared is 109.
So all of them they are pass.
Science 97.3%, commerce 100%.
Okay.